drink a little too much, but I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you, and I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you, a little too much.
Yeah, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be working with this new wig company I never worked with before. Their name is KimKSlay on Amazon. So I have this curly wig with a bang as usual. Nice color variation, and they also gave me a headband, so I guess you can turn it into like a headband wig. I didn't use that for that, but I do really like the headband. The quality is really good. The inside was pink, which was strange. Not strange, but it has a breathable cap, and it also has like a 10 section like thing to put your little elastic band on. So I thought that was really, really good to, you know, fit any size head. This is the curls right here. Obviously I'm gonna, you know, finger comb them out, put some product in it. And yeah, this one kind of gave me a run for my money, as you guys are gonna see, because yeah, this is like just like a curly type of fro look. I know what they was going for sure. I understand the whole look and the concept. So yeah, definitely. And the wig, once again, is only $20, so you really can't beat that price at all. So yeah,
well, okay.
Let's see what I do with it.
I look crazy. But yeah, this is a lot of hair. Like this wig is shorter than I expected it to be, and it doesn't like have a length on a description or whatever, so you'll just have to gauge. I'm pretty sure it's like a maybe 14 stretch, could be 16, and there is some shedding obviously. So like I said, I always go through the don't mind me if I look crazy. I'm putting some water and conditioner on it just to make the curls pop a bit, so I always go through and just get all of the tangles out. I think this wig will look better if you know, basically pick the curls out, but be mindful, the more you pick the curls out, the more, not crazy, but the more, you know, wild or big it's gonna be. So yeah, the hair is taking good to the water and the conditioner. I like that. It says you can use this for like, this is like, okay, as you saw in the thumbnail, I said it's a $20 wig, right? So this is basically a one-day wig, unless you know how to keep up your synthetic hair. If so, like I do too, but if you know how to do that, then this will be a good wig for you. Like I said, always just comb out the excessive type of shedding or whatever. Not excessive, but you know, the excess shedding. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is just go around and do my best to like pick out everything or whatever. And I like that it has two combs like right in the front, so you could feel extra super secure. I don't know, I might cut a few pieces because that's just how I am, so it's easier for me to like shape stuff. But the color, I do really like the color, to be honest. And they did give you like this little headband to put on, so I don't know if you could put that on. Look at my forehead and push that back. But yeah, so I'm gonna go around and do what I do. Just watch me, hope for the best. But yeah, I'm probably gonna cut a little bit here and there just to like shape it a bit more, because yeah, I gotta get the vision going here. All right, so just watch me. It's not too bad either, to be honest. A few pieces here and there as I go through the wig. I'd rather get them out now than for them to be falling later and you get annoyed. But yeah, get them out as you go. Have to like shape this wig, because if you don't, it's not gonna, you know, work out for you. And I'm trying my best to like shape it as best as I can. So yeah, just bear with me. I put some bobby pins in the, whatever you call it, the bang area, just so it can, you know, lay down a little bit more flat, because I'm not a huge volume person. So yeah, that's my issue. I wish the wig was a little bit longer, like a lot more like stretched out like this basically, because you know I like length. I'm not a big like short hair person at all. I do really love the color, so I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm ready, okay? All right, hey y'all, so this is the final look of the wig. This is the bangs and everything like that. I had put a bunch of water in this, conditioner, everything. I cut it, I shaped it. I have a lot of hair over there on my table that I cut off. I'm gonna show you right now. All the hair that I cut off. This is the little headband that they gave me. I really do like this headband a lot. Let me come back to it. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look of the wig. So I did a bunch of stuff, as you guys can see. I put water in the hair, I put conditioner in the hair, everything. I laid it down with a scarf. And this is what I came up with. As you guys saw, it looked different on everybody else. I'm a big, huge fan of the color. Like, this is definitely my little color variation that this is my go-to color, like ombre or blonde mixed with brown. But like I said, this is not for everybody. On the description, it says it's for Halloween or it's for like a one-night situation. I know the look that they was going for. Yeah, and leave any comments down below if I could have did something different to the wig. Like I said, I did my best. I fluffed this out, I cut it, I cut the volume out, I did everything I could possibly do. So yeah, once again, this is KimKSlay wigs. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm gonna put it down below on the screen. So yeah, other than that, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.